Hey y'all, what's up? Welcome back to another video. If you are new here, I go by the Fashion Doll. If you're not new, welcome dolls. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Alright y'all, so y'all see from the title, this is a luxury unboxing video, and we have the item right here. So we're gonna do an unboxing on this item that I got. So let's just get started. Okay y'all, so this item is from Net-a-Porter, if that's how you say it. Net-a-Porter. It looks like it's pronounced Net-a-Porter. Net-a-Porter. Net-a-Port. Net-a-Porter. Okay, so the item is from Net-a-Porter, and this is what it looks like, the box. So okay, we got some black tissue wrap. Ooh. They open me important documents inside. That's what it says. So it's just a thank you for shopping with us info, aftercare, customer care, all that good stuff. So they give you all the information that you need on your item, how to reach them. I think this company is based in the United Kingdom. They also have a US number, Australia, China, everywhere y'all, so that's cool. Then I have my receipt with my information. Can't show you all that because my information on there. And then they also give you a shipping return label just in case you change your mind about your item, so you can, you know, return it. So this is the box. Cute. So yeah, it's cute. It's giving luxury. So you just got a black box with their logo. A little tie right here. So we're gonna unbox it, yay, with their logo. Ooh, more tissue paper. Okay y'all, drum roll. Can y'all guess what I got? Gucci. So we got something from Gucci. Can y'all guess what I got from Gucci? So we got this beautiful baseball cap. So Net-a-Porter also put their tag on here, and it says don't remove unless, it says please note return will only be accepted if this tag remains attached. So don't remove this tag y'all. So I got a size large in the hat, and then you have your Gucci tag, the green Gucci tag, and then it just has the care instructions in here. Okay, in the bag it comes with some more stuff. What is this? So yeah, little Gucci booklet. Yeah, 2 of them. So this is what it looks like. Tissue paper on the inside, the Gucci tag. This hat y'all, if y'all watch my past video, which was my luxury wish list, this was the first item on my wish list. I really wanted this hat and I got it. I love the leather detail right here. I love the leather band strap. This hat is so cute. I love the big jumbo GG canvas. This retailed for $415 is how much this hat costs. Okay, background story right quick. I wanted this hat really bad from Gucci. I ordered this hat, and the hat never shipped to me. I had ordered a few items, but we're gonna stick to this hat. But the items didn't ship, right? Okay, so anyway, the hat never shipped. So they were out of stock. I was trying to get an extra large. I'm kind of glad I did go with the large. I think the extra large sold out quick. Then I tried to go ahead and hurry up and order the large, but it was out of stock. So now they're on back order. I really wanted to order it from Gucci just because I like collecting the designer boxes, and I wanted that green box part of my collection because I only have the old Gucci box, which is the black and white one. But whatever, it don't matter because I got her, so that's all that matter. And of course, I'm not done shopping with Gucci because y'all need to go check out my wish list video so y'all can see the other Gucci items that I would like to purchase. But for the most part, I'm not going to try it on because I don't want to get makeup on it, because in the inside, that's one thing I don't like. It's very white in the inside, and I wear makeup, so this will get dirty pretty fast, pretty fast. But Gucci tag right here in the inside, and I don't even know what to say about this. Like, it's cute. Can I put it on top of here so y'all can get a little, you know, a little idea? Yeah, I can put it on top of this hat, baby. Side view pose. Yes, but it is cute. I'm so happy to have this to add to my collection. I am definitely a hat girl. I love hats, and I just can't wait to wear this and style this. This is a beautiful piece. Oh my god, look. Yeah, y'all, I don't know what else to say about it. It's gorgeous. Okay, so don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and hit that post notification bell if you haven't done so already, so you'll be notified every time I upload a new video. See you later.